Good morning. Happy first day of December. It's December 1st. It's a Friday. Happy Friday. Nothing too new in terms of the levels I'm watching today because we are in this same range that we've been in. Isn't it something? Yesterday we opened up right below this 455.62 and rejected off of that. You can see here, rejected all the way down to this 453.8-ish level. Found some support down close to in that area. Sorry, it's in the morning. Before we rallied up, kind of tested this upper range about 456.4 or so, where you see we've hit here, and then as well as up in here. So game plan for above this range, look for calls up to this range. For below here, potential puts down to here. If we're down in this range, watch for bounces and reversals. Yeah, that's pretty much what it's been doing. Up in this area, we've been rejecting. This area, we've been rejecting. This area, we've been bouncing. So yeah, you can see we kind of rejected off here. Pre-market broke above, rejected off here, fell down. Now it looks like we're set to open below this, back in this range, kind of exactly where we opened yesterday. We have a lot of news coming out today. We have all sorts of stuff. What do we got? We got S&P Global Manufacturing PMI coming out 15 minutes after open, 30 minutes after open. We have ISM Manufacturing, construction spending. Chicago Fed President Goolsbee speaks at 11 a.m. Eastern. Jerome Powell speaks. Yeah, so what a action-packed kind of morning. So we'll see. There might not be too much good price action in the morning due to all this stuff coming out and due to Jerome Powell speaking. I have a feeling that people will kind of wait to see what he has to say. That's kind of it. So this could be a tricky day for a couple of reasons. Because we're in this range, because we have so much stuff coming out, because we have Jerome Powell speaking a little bit later. It could cause us to to just have maybe some slower price action, lower volume chop in the morning, and then I mean, I guess we'll see. I don't want to say anything before it happens. But generally on days where Jerome Powell speaks, it seems like the mornings are a little bit slower in anticipation of that event. So, psychedelics update. Kentucky, Arizona, Wisconsin, California, Washington. Well, Alaska. What's Alaska doing during November? Okay, refresh the gadgets. Therapies. That's it. People just talked about it. Alrighty. Well, that's all I really got. Like I said, no new levels. We have yesterday's high and low. We have this pre-market low, which is kind of being updated as we speak, right? I mean, it's still kind of printing, so that will be kind of adjusted as such. Whoa now, brother. So right about there is where we currently are for pre-market low. You see that's kind of coinciding with this 55.3 level that we rejected off a couple times yesterday. So we shall see, my friends. Didn't mark pre-market high because it's pretty much right at this level that I already had. Yeah, we might make a new pre-market low. I might have to continue to draw this. So that will be something that we'll kind of watch. What's going on, Yvonne? Oh, you're all good. I think I did that to you yesterday. How you doing? Good. Oh, the 200 EMA or SMA? I'm having to continuously adjust my pre-market low because it keeps setting new lows. I drew it like 3 times already. We're back in this range, and we got a lot of stuff coming out today. Even Jerome Powell's speaking like an hour and a half after market opens. I'm a little, I don't know, a little hesitant. I feel like this morning could be a little choppy with all that stuff going on. And we're still in this range. Oh yeah. Yeah, they talked to local leaders in Atlanta. I don't know what that means, but yeah. All sorts of stuff. This might be an interesting morning. Yeah. The 200 and the what? I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Huh. Yeah, is that like more for like bigger trends, right? Gotcha. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we'll see what we get today. I want to be, it's weird. I need to like find a nice balance between being patient but not hesitating because yesterday I hesitated on some really nice trades. It's like a fine balance. I guess I just need to, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a, I think that's, I like either lean to one side or the other. It seems like where I'm like not patient enough or I'm like too patient and I just miss it. But we're getting there.
Good pre-market low.
Seems like premiums are pretty high. Huh. Yeah, premiums are pretty high.
Maybe, yeah, maybe you're right. You know, I have one trend line from Wednesday highs and now pre-market highs.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So it's on like 15 or half an hour chart. Seems far away from here, but
Yeah, I'm looking at it on the 1 hour.
yeah, 1 hour looks good too.
I think the 1 hour is one of my favorite time frames to watch. I mean, like, I'm not taking trades off the 1 hour, but having the 1 hour pulled up, like when I'm entering trades, it gives me like a really nice kind of picture of what's going on outside of just the 5 minute. Oh man. Another day we just reject off this same exact area. It's like right where we opened and rejected yesterday morning. Pretty much the exact price. It's kind of crazy.
True, yeah.
But we're like at the top of this range and we've just been like rejecting off the top and then bouncing off the bottom down around like 454. So like, I don't know.
I'm also watching QQQ. It's rejecting pretty major level from yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have that like 388 or so.
Yeah, 387.64, but yeah, around that area where the pre-market low is, it's rejecting pretty nice.
Yeah, all the tech names are red. Tesla's down quite a bit.
Yeah, Tesla moved down even in the after hours yesterday.
They had their Cybertruck event or whatever.
Oh really?
Yeah, they just started I guess yesterday was the beginning of like delivery of Cybertrucks, if that's the correct. They're gonna actually start delivering them to customers. And then they had like their reveal event, and I think some people were, I don't know, expected it to be cheaper, or who knows.
Yeah, that was a nice trade on QQQ. Buys like at the opening price, QQQ is $1.50 lower.
Wow.
although SPY is making some wicks.
Mm-hmm. It's holding that pre-market low pretty well.
True.
See if we can get a higher high right here, or if we just reject again.
But yeah, QQQ is so weak for me to consider some like long options.
SPY doing the exact opposite. What's going on?
Yeah, SPY holding, QQQ pulling back a little bit, but still below pre-market low.
Yeah, SPY's looking strong. It's about to make a new high right here.
Yeah.
Or perhaps not.
I mean, 5 minute looks disgusting on SPY.
Yeah, I want nothing to do with that. I was worried that we might get kind of a weird morning with all the news and stuff coming out.
We have now in 5 minutes, right? First one.
Yeah, and then like another 15 minutes, we have a bunch of stuff happening. We have a Fed President Goolsbee is speaking in 15 minutes, and then an hour after that, Jerome Powell speaks. So it's just kind of a lot going on in a short amount of time, which makes me think some of this morning price action might be a little slow.
Patience. Have you
Yeah.
tried to open the Bloomberg site?
I'll give it another shot right now. Yeah, let me try. That was really weird. Yeah, so when I do it, it doesn't work for me. I don't get it. Here, I'll just go to their main website and see if I can like get there from. There's a new high on SPY. Wow, SPY's looking pretty good. Very strong to the upside. Yeah, it's really weird. The Bloomberg calendar doesn't work for me. It just says the same thing. Like
Oh,
airs out. I don't get it. I don't know why.
well, for sure is the best one for me.
Yeah, no, I would use it. Definitely watching for a rejection up around like 456.4 on SPY if we get up there.
Yeah, QQQ is at that level. Again, 387.64, retesting it. This can be another rejection area for QQQ and spirals. Yeah, QQQ seems. But SPY is strong, man.
So far.
QQQ breaking that low.
To the upside?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, in 1 minute we get some, what was it? The PMI. I honestly wish Powell spoke a little earlier because it's usually like right in the middle of the trading day and I am never online for it. It's like the mornings of those speeches tend to be a little slower and then tons of volatility once he speaks.
Yeah, especially on the FOMC and the rate decisions.
Yeah, yeah, those are big. Looks like Tesla and Nvidia are bouncing back a bit.
True.
Amazon's up on the day a little bit. But yeah, Nvidia's positive now.
So that PMI is exactly in forecast.
So yeah, I won't really do anything then. I mean, it probably shouldn't. I'm still watching for the rejection up around 456.4. Looking at like the 2-minute chart, the volume's kind of dying off as we push up closer to it. If we get like a sign of a rejection, I'd hop and puts up there is what I'm looking for.
I'm watching that SPY for 56.40.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm watching.
Or maybe one hammer candle. Yeah, it's weird. I'm not taking anything to the upside, honestly. PQ again below that level. No, holding it. Whoa. Yeah, I got in one put on QQQ.
Nice. Yeah, I'm just holding on for now. Nothing on my end.
If you get below pre-market high, I'm out, but look at nice from now, honestly. or maybe no. Crazy price action. I got out for like break even. So
Yeah, this is some.
I'm glad I did it because this trade. Although it's still rejecting that level. So probably should. But I like price action there. Break up. Buy too strong for this.
Yeah, did like a little bit of a bull flag on the 2 minute or like lower time frame.
Yeah. Yeah. Glad I got out there. Crazy. Half an hour looks good on foreign Q. If it's going to break to the upside, I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore. I'll wait over it.
Yeah, we have a lot of news coming out in 3 minutes too. Looking at like the 2 minute, just not much happening.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
There it went.
Oh my
I
god.
mean, yeah, it was just waiting for that.
Puts.
Ton of volume coming in. Oh my.
Yeah, put smash.
So many wow, this volume just rocketing.
No. I mean, with this price action, even the calls and the puts are losing the value.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. There's no point to getting anything right now. It might just be this way though, because now we got this Goolsby dude speaking, and in an hour Powell speaks. So I don't know how long I don't know how long Goolsby his speech is.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm sure that a lot of traders are taking the days off today.
Yeah, at least until after Powell speaks.
Wow, these candles look strong now.
Just a little bit.
Whoa, man. Even QQQ looks strong now, making the higher highs.
It's pretty crazy. I want to see how we react to like 457.2. If we get above that, we could see a move up above like 458.
Yeah. If we hold above 458, that's so 0DT on QQQ put touch like $35 per contract and then get back above like 170 in
Wow.
1 minute candle.
What, for call?
For put in 1 minute candle.
Oh, wow.
Crazy.
It rejected right off that level, 457.1617. That's what I was watching to see if it broke above that.
Sorry, can you repeat what did you say?
Oh, I was just saying I was looking for a reaction around 457.16. That's pretty much the exact top of where we turned around so far. I feel like the past couple days we've been getting these rejections. I like to see like some consolidation at a level before I determine like if I want to hop in puts or, you know.
Yeah,
But like here it went up and it touched it pretty much to the cent and immediately reversed. So I didn't take any trade, but now that trade's running over 30% had I taken it. I was looking for a rejection there, or if we broke above that, continuation to 458, but I don't know. I feel like that's kind of been happening to me lately, is like the moves I'm looking for happen really quick and I just don't get in them.
yeah, without retest or something like that.
Exactly. Yeah, it just like goes up there and immediately reverses, and I don't know. I don't know if I should continue just being patient and not try to risk it, or you know, try to get in on a trade when it's at my level. And I don't know. I feel like I should be patient, but I've been missing out on a lot of decent trades lately.
Wow, that's the area where that trend line is.
Oh, okay. It's also testing yesterday's high day as well. Currently.
today.
Man, they rejected right off that level. Like, pretty much, what was it, 1 cent away? 2 cents away from where my level's at? I don't know, man.
In a cent. That's 30-minute chart, I would say.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's right off that trend line. Dang. I actually didn't draw that trend line, but I should have, because it matches right up with that level that I have, too. I probably would have felt a little better about taking that. It is a bit counter to the trend, though. We're still looking pretty strong. I guess Goolsby said that inflation is coming down just as we expect it. So I think that's why we... No. It's very... Yeah. Even though I think the past 2 months it's actually gone up, so I don't know what he's looking at. We've had inflation rising the past 2 months, so I'm not sure how that's going down in the right direction.
Yeah.
Some crazy price action.
What's the name of the cream?
Of
I
the
cannot remember his name.
of the what?
Of this guy, Scream.
Oh, I don't know if I know his actual name. I think it might be Sam, but I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Or shit. Yeah, no, it's Sam's the other dude. I don't know. I'm not sure I know his actual name, to tell you the truth.
He's a good guy.
Yeah. But here, because we're holding below yesterday's high.
You can clearly see the trend line either on Kikiki or Spy.
Mm-hmm.
In 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. Right before I was thinking about calls, we get that.
Yeah, I'm not really sure how to feel right now. Getting like some mixed signals with this long top wicks and the rejection off that level and trend line, but also like we're holding and we're in an uptrend. I feel like I don't have like a definitive.
if he's trying to break that trend line while spot is low.
Right when I was just about to buy a put, it started to sell. Oh man, I just literally had my finger on the button. That's funny. I want to see how it reacts to this 456.4 though. So it could certainly hold that and just reverse. There it goes. Oh man. Ah, oh, darn it. I just about clicked for, or like just about bought a put right before that drop.
I feel you, man.
I was just looking at how we kept rejecting off yesterday's high and like forming those long upper wicks. I was like, all right, it looks like we're kind of stalling out on the push up, but oh man, I can't even. It's doing me dirty, man, right in front of my face. That hurts. Oh my gosh. This is unreal. It's like making me sick to my stomach. I literally almost bought a put and then it just rejects the second. Oh, I hate that, man. I just need to stop hesitating. It's been the story of my life lately.
Yeah, man. Going straight down. I suggest you not to look like price contracts now.
No, yeah, I mean, I have it pulled up. I see. I'm just. There's nothing I can do about it. Yeah. Just, that's what I'm saying. It's almost making me sick. Just like. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna stop hesitating. I need to. I say that, but it's cost me.
SPY is making like lows. Alright.
Hello.
Hello,
Fully?
Mr. YouTube.
Shit, man.
What's going on, man?
Why is this not working? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Can't hear shit. Hello.
What's up, man? You
Hold on. How do I change my output device?
Down left corner.
Okay. Jesus, can y'all hear me now?
yeah, you can hear us?
I can hear y'all now. Fuck it.
Sweet. You taking any trades today?
I did. I caught a little bit of that move down just now.
Bruh, when we were rejecting off of yesterday's high, I had my finger on the buy button and I like hesitated and then it just dropped right there and I don't know what I'm doing.
So I was in the same boat, and then I was looking at ES actually, and there was a level that we had just kind of rejected hard off of on the 15, and that's what gave me the go ahead for that trade.
Nice. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I feel like I'm just hesitating and missing all the trades I should be taking.
I was really so I got in the trade and immediately wanted to get out. I was very, very nervous for some reason, but I had my stop for pretty much right above Hive Day, so I just decided to. Once I got in, I was like, "Fuck it, I'm just gonna hold it," and then I got out at 20%. So,
Nice.
but yeah, definitely. I don't know what was going on. I was definitely really nervous about that one though.
I think anytime you get these days where like there's somebody speaking or something, you never know what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
At least that's how I
that
feel.
well, that huge candle before, like right at, I mean, 8 o'clock for you. All
Yeah.
that news that came out of this, like I don't know, something like when that shit happened, I like all of my rationale, like thinking, just goes out the window.
Yeah, I usually just like freeze and don't do anything because I'm like, oh, I don't know what the hell's happening. I don't know. I like to like watch the big move happen and then see if it like rejects off a key level or something, or like it literally rejected off a level that I have perfectly. 457.16 is the level I had, and that's like pretty much the high a day. But I
Yeah.
didn't take anything up there. I didn't take anything off the rejection under the yesterday's high a day. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like the trades are there. I'm just hesitating. Maybe I need the fully retreat. Need to go meditate in a cave or something and get my mind right.
I mean, dude, I don't know. I like doing it alone. It just helps me really, you know, bring everything to the table and then not have any distractions. It's nice.
Yeah.
So, I mean, maybe it could help you. Try it.
I don't know. It's weird enough. So I'm trading with like it was just me and Yvonne, and I don't know. I don't feel like there's many like distractions.
Yeah, it could be like I'm a pretty nervous person. Like I can't really perform under pressure. So I like how there's nobody I have to explain myself to, but at the same time I have to like hold myself accountable, you know?
Mm-hmm.
There's like this weird feeling I get when I am in a chat where like typically when I do take a trade and I'm in the chat, I don't tell y'all just because I don't want to be wrong in front of y'all.
Yeah, no, I feel that.
I don't know. It's a very mental game. You just gotta find what works.
For sure. Yeah, I think like I don't know. The past couple days, like my levels are spot on, so I think I just need to trust myself and just. I think hesitating is the biggest thing because it'll like be right where I'm looking at it, and I'm like, should I, should I, should I, and then I wait, and then it happens, you know, and I'm like, well, I should have definitely.
Yeah. I mean, does that happen more often than
Lately,
your
it has
red?
been. Yeah, I'd probably say so. Yeah. I mean, I definitely get trades wrong for sure, but like, I'm just thinking about the past like 2 or 3 days. There's been like 3 really big trades that I just hesitated on that I missed. And maybe it's just
Quit
like a,
hesitating.
yeah, that's, I know, easy to say, but harder for me to do for some reason. Like, I know that that's what it is, but for some
I
reason,
get it.
it's been happening. I just need to, I don't know. Maybe I need to like drink before trading.
Yeah, you just
just
you
get
don't
that,
care.
yeah, just get that confidence and just like fuck it.
Yeah.
Just like a full blown
It is
alcoholic,
true.
but hitting profitable profits you've never seen before.
This guy is insane.
That'd be a hell of a YouTube video. But the key to being profitable in trading: be so wasted you don't remember what trades you took. Nah, but
Seriously. Mm.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
missing a
looks
lot
like I
of
could
big
even.
trades today. Not today, this week. I'm with you, Ram, man.
yeah, just been a scared little guy, I guess. I took a call here. I'll say it out loud for
Okay.
confirmation. But we're holding the level, forming a hammer on the 2 minute. See if we get a bounce. I like the volume came in once we touched that level.
Yeah, we might get a little pop here.
I mean, it's lingering. So either we get a little bounce or just we'll bust right through.
Yeah, but I mean, we're right above this pretty big level for my daily anyway, 455.5.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I'm watching that same area, so I see us slowing down and wicking around. So far, it doesn't look terrible. I saw a lot of volume come in too once we came down and like wicked off the. I have one at 455.6, so like kind of right where we're sitting.
Oh, nice, yeah.
But we'll see. We'll see.
my game plan for today. Oh wait, hold on.
All right, well,
Fuck.
that got me out. Watch now, we will reverse. Good lord.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that's. Yeah, I just need to figure some things out. Because I feel like I hesitate on the good trades, and then I'm like, oh, I need to stop hesitating, but then I like enter maybe not so good trades.
And then you just kind of lose your. Yeah, I get it. It's almost like some of the setups are too good to be true. You just don't want to take them.
Something, man. I don't know.
And the other.
I've been off this week, though.
All right. Totally cool.
Glad I got out, though.
Yeah. For just for you, I hope this thing tanks.
Nah. Oh my gosh. See that volume coming in off the pre-market low? Holy.
First touch of pre-market low, yeah.
Jeez, man. Alright, I'm re-entering. I like what I saw there.
Nice. I would just set your stop right below that wick.
Yeah.
Give yourself some room this time. If you can risk that much. I don't know.
We'll see. We'll see what it's looking like. I'd expect some move upwards after that. I mean, we wicked down and just immediately reversed, so it looks like there's some buyers, and that's right around where we like ripped from the morning, so we'll give it a
SPX and ES look really good for the upside too.
cool. Appreciate you. Yeah, we'll still feel confident about a little bounce here. We'll see.
Here you go. Nice.
I'm gonna trim one here and leave a runner.
There you go. Nice.
Just because this is kind of that area that we consolidated in earlier.
Mm-hmm.
I'd love to see us reach back up to that 456.3 would be great.
You think you can hang on that long?
I mean, with my runner, yeah. We're not far off. I only took 2 contracts. I took profit on one on that push up. I took 456 strikes, so once we hit 456, it moved pretty nice.
Nice.
There you go, man.
Man, all right, that feels a little bit better because I was gonna say, I was like, dude, I feel like we could get a bounce down here. We had a pretty good move out of this area earlier. It's a pretty big level on the daily.
Mm-hmm.
So
No,
sometimes you just have to re-enter.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the first one was just a little premature.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, in hindsight, obviously,
Yeah.
but that second time, that was a good trade. I like that. And another thing, dude, we've just been in this really shit zone for the past
It's
week.
true. We've been chopping around, but that's also kind of part of my like trading strategy is like we have been moving kind of like in that range, you know, like calls at the bottom, puts at the top type thing. It's like been kind of choppy, but at least it's somewhat consistent at the same time.
Yeah. You said 456.3?
That was like the ideal.
Yeah, okay. I don't know, man. It looks pretty good.
Volume coming in. I like that. All right, I'm out. That's it.
Good job. Good shit.
Thank God, man. I needed that.
Very nice. You green on the day?
Oh yeah, yeah. No, my loss was pretty tight stop.
Nice.
Yeah, I actually had a pretty good day off that. That trade worked really well.
What are you up?
25, but that's after losing, I think, like 10 on the first trade.
Nice.
I usually try to shoot for like a 2-to-1 risk reward. So whatever I typically try to keep my losses about like half of what I expect or average on wins, I guess.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good way to go about it. My that trade earlier, that little put I caught, it
Yeah.
was like a 1-to-1. So, I mean, it was a pretty shit trade when you think about it, but I don't know. I was really nervous, so I just took it out.
Yeah. No, I feel you, man. I've definitely, yeah. Not every trade is perfect 2-to-1 for me. Sometimes you get those like 1-to-1s that work out, and you're like, damn, I could have lost that exact amount.
Mm-hmm. Good stuff, man.
I appreciate you guys. Very supportive.
Mm-hmm. Feel good, man. Only taking a few trades this week. I think all of them were winners.
Yeah, man, you've been doing well. I'm stoked for you, man. I obviously it's. Oh, sorry. I was just gonna say, obviously, like, I can't ever really see unless people say like, "Oh, I'm in puts," or you know, it's you can't see exactly what people are doing or watching. So, I've enjoyed watching your videos and seeing how you're trading. I think we have a very similar trading style, but I don't know. It's cool to watch you. I mean, getting those winning trades, man. Stoked for you.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
That's what I want for all of us, man. I just want this Discord to be just a room full of snipers, man. That's the goal.
Yeah. Been pretty dead though. I don't know where everybody's at.
Yeah, I was saying that the other day. I think Josh and Mike, I'm not sure. I know Mike, he's on like paternity leave with the new baby, so I'm sure that's keeping him busy.
Yeah.
But yeah, like Gil hasn't been in here in a minute. Samrise, he was in here for a while, and I haven't seen him on in a while. Yeah, I know. Oh man, I know it is. I know Ray. Like same thing you're saying. He was just like, it's just a lot of distraction. You know, I do better when I'm trading alone. And I fully respect that because I think it is definitely harder, like emotionally, to trade with other people. Like you said, it's like you start to second guess yourself. If you're like, oh, I'm thinking about a put, somebody's like, I was thinking about a call, it throws everything
Right.
off.
I love how there's no, you know, interference, I guess, with my head whenever I'm just by myself.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Yeah. I think when you're learning, it's like you second guess yourself enough, to have you don't need like another external pressure. But I also like it too because like I'm talking with Yvonne and I'm like, oh, I have a level here. He's like, oh, I'm watching. There's a trend line there. And it's like, okay, so there's like some good from it too. But yeah, I think it's like with how mental trading is, it's definitely something that you have to like, I don't know, understand. I guess just get used to.
Mm-hmm.
I think the biggest thing is just like for me, I watch like my levels work out pretty well. And so it's just like, just trust yourself, If you've seen it work out, just like believe in yourself and use risk management. That's all you can really do.
Yeah. I mean, that's the name of the game, pretty much.
True, yeah. I also like chat just because we can talk. It's not like a distraction, but it's when you not see it at the moment, someone says it. It's good. I don't know. I work like that.
Yeah.
But I
I mean,
understand
everybody's
when
different. There's no right and wrong way to go about it.
yeah, of course. If you're doing better alone, it's perfect, man. Just keep going.
You know. Ryan, do you work today?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You don't have.
No, I should probably get on. I technically don't have to be on until 9 a.m. my time is like
Gotcha.
when they expect me to be on, but I like to get on a little early so I can get off a little early, especially on a Friday.
Yeah. Well, feel free to take off if you want.
All right, yeah, I wasn't even really paying attention. Pal's speaking in 20 minutes. You guys gonna watch that?
But I'm getting out. I'm editing this video and
Oh yeah, man. All right.
Bring some romance for me, please.
Some romance.
Not today. Not today.
Okay.
Oh man. Yeah, you still want the face reveal, Yvonne?
Of course.
Of course. I don't know.
Yeah, let's see.
I'm pretty high profile. When I was in New York City, I took a picture in front of the New York Stock Exchange, though. I could throw that up in there. Yeah, I told him pump it.
Selfie?
What's up?
I mean,
A selfie?
Nah, my girl took a picture of me.
Oh, but it's of you in front of it?
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'll make the reveal.
See who I'm talking to.
I mean, it's just weird to talk every day and not to know.
Yeah, I'll throw it up.
I have a new channel called Face Reveal.
Face reveal.
Everybody has to post a selfie.
That Scarface is like making face reveal, and he's announcing it for like 2 months now.
Oh, he's milking it.
Videos.
That's funny. I should have done that.
Yeah.
Got my views up.
Get my views up. Oh man. All right. I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day and happy Friday. Enjoy the weekend.
Yeah, guys, enjoy the weekend. See you
See you.
Monday. Alright, man. Nice trade.